Alrighty, here we are at Vista on the Green. And as you can see, all of the scaffold's now being dropped and we're bringing all of the services through the driveway. So we've got the plumbers connecting the stormwater and putting in the water meters. On the inside, we've got the carpenters completing fix outs, so hanging the doors, architraves and skirting, and the painters are following close behind them. Let's go and have a look at the front fence that's being built around the whole perimeter here at Vista on the Green. One of the hardest parts when we get to the end of construction on these townhouse complexes is getting all of the outside work finished once the scaffold drops. So here we've got all the front fence that's being built. The footing's been excavated and poured with concrete yesterday, and you can see the reinforcement coming out of that, ready for the block layer to start later this week. Down here we've got the gas for all the gas meters for each individual townhouse, which is obviously a massive plus to have gas cooking and gas hot water in each of these townhouses. Plumbers are finishing that off. The block layer is going to get into building this front fence, and then we should be able to start all the external works on the footpath, getting the grass in, the footpath tidied up, and getting these townhouses closer to finish. So we're out the front of townhouses 1 to 6 on Nicholson Street, and you can see all of the footings have now been poured for the front fence. That's ready for the block layer. Once this front fence is built, we'll then go and put the stairs into each of the townhouses so they all have their own off-street access, which is a massive plus for these townhouses. Once all that work's been done, rendered, front fence painted, we'll be ready for landscaping here, which is going to really set these amazing townhouses off. So even though it's absolute mayhem here at the moment at Vista on the Green, once we get this front fence built and all the external works close to completion, which will also include the pouring of the driveway, which is a major milestone in any development, we'll then be able to close out all of the inside of each townhouse, so finish the painting and the fit-offs, and we're going to see Vista on the Green very close to completion. So stay tuned as these 10 amazing townhouses approach the finish line.